Welcome back to All About AI Tech. If you're fascinated by how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries, you're in for a treat. Today, we're talking about an absolute game-changer in renewable energy, AI-powered underwater robots. These aren't just any robots. They're engineered to keep our offshore wind farms operational, even in the toughest sea conditions. Imagine a future where maintenance tasks happen without ever needing a human diver to brave the deep waters. That future is unfolding before our eyes, and we'll explore how these robots are paving the way. Let's set the scene. The UK has over 2,600 wind turbines and aims to quadruple that capacity by 2030. That's a massive increase in maintenance needs. Each turbine requires inspections up to 3 times a year, often more as they age. Traditionally, maintenance meant risking lives and using expensive vessels just to check on these gigantic structures. But with the introduction of AI-powered underwater robots, we could see fuel consumption for these missions drop dramatically. Think about it. Reducing fuel from 7,000 liters per day to only 200 liters. Less fuel means lower costs and a smaller carbon footprint. It's a win-win situation. The project driving this innovation is called UNITE, which stands for Underwater Intervention for Offshore Renewable Energies. Spearheaded by Heriot-Watt University in collaboration with top-notch partners like Fugro, this initiative is harnessing advanced technologies to create robots capable of autonomously inspecting and repairing wind turbines. These robots integrate advanced AI and 3D mapping technologies, allowing them to navigate complex underwater environments and perform essential maintenance tasks all on their own. This means not only efficiency and reliability, but also that we can keep humans out of potentially dangerous underwater operations. So how exactly do these autonomous underwater robots work? Well, they're equipped with state-of-the-art mapping capabilities that allow them to create highly detailed maps of their underwater environment. This is crucial for precise navigation and ensuring they can identify which parts of the wind turbines need inspection or repair. The robots utilize advanced AI algorithms that analyze the underwater landscape in real time. It's like having a skilled technician on board. This technology promises to change the way we think about inspections. Rather than taking weeks to gather data, robots can potentially report insights in just 3 hours. That's a 1,500-fold improvement from the current industry standard. One of the standout features of the UNITE project is its commitment to safety. By employing these robots, companies can drastically reduce the number of personnel working in hazardous offshore environments. Picture this: fewer large ships required for inspections, less human risk, and more efficient operations, all thanks to the capabilities of AI and robotics. That's an inspiring leap forward for the entire renewable energy sector. It's not just about doing things faster. It's about rethinking how we approach maintenance in challenging marine environments. The combination of AI and robotics could very well promote a safer, more sustainable future. Now, you may be wondering what this means for the future of offshore wind energy production. With UK plans to rapidly expand its wind power capacity, integrating these robot systems into maintenance strategies will be pivotal. Each robot is not only capable of performing inspections but could also lead to better predictive maintenance, allowing for problem identification before they become significant issues. If we enhance our current maintenance practices, we could significantly increase turbine uptime, a critical factor for energy production. This transformation highlights the proactive approach we need to take in the renewable energy sector. Here at All About AI Tech, we're dedicated to bringing you the latest and greatest in cutting-edge technology. But we know progress is a team effort. We want to build a community where we can discuss these exciting developments together. Your insights, thoughts, and questions are valuable to us. Please feel free to leave your comments below about what you think of these innovations in offshore wind maintenance, or any areas you'd like us to dive deeper into. Together, we can explore the vast opportunities that lie in AI and robotics. In closing, AI-powered underwater robots are set to transform the maintenance landscape for offshore wind farms. With the potential to drastically reduce operational costs, improve safety, and enhance efficiency, these robots embody the future of the renewable energy sector. As we aim for greater sustainability, embracing these advanced technologies will be essential. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of energy maintenance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates from the world of AI and technology. Let's stay curious together.